Neymar. Brilliant with his skills. Oscar. Neymar over chase. Neil just letting him know that he's around. Neymar again in the middle. Neymar on the left foot this time. From Luis Gustavo. Neymar! Brazil! Off the goal! They sold his out! He isn't scoring as well as he is. Enjoying life just at the moment. Neymar giving himself a little bit of an angle to work for. Neymar has gone for goal. And it's out. Neymar. A little bit of a corridor in which to run, and he doesn't miss often.